Match the vocabulary terms with their correct definitions. Column A, 1, personality test. 2, objective test. 3, projective test. Column B, a forced choice test. A person must choose one of several answers designed to study personality characteristics. B, an unstructured test in which a person is asked to respond freely, giving his or her own interpretation of various ambiguous stimuli. C, assess personality characteristics and identifies problems. Which of the following is not a use of personality tests? A, measuring traits such as responsibility, self-control, and tolerance. B, measuring how much a person has learned in a certain area. C, identify problems and psychological disorders. Which of the following statements about the Minnesota Multifaceted Personality Inventory, or MMPI, are true? Choose all that are correct. A, MMPI is one of the most widely used tests for general personality assessment. B, a psychologist hands ink blocks to the test taker and asks the person what he or she sees. C, the test is organized to reveal habits, fears, delusions, and sexual attitudes. The CPI, California Psychological Inventory, is used to A, predict things like adjustment to stress, leadership, and job success. B, understand how a person's childhood may impact their future. C, recognize potential therapies for psychological disorders. Which personality test uses categories like extrovert or introvert to help people understand their lives and how they can relate to others? A, the Rorschach ink block test. B, the Myers-Briggs test. C, the thematic apperception test, or TAT. Which of the following are examples of projective tests? Choose all that are correct. A, the Rorschach ink block test. B, Myers-Briggs test. C, thematic apperception test, or TAT.